Hey there! I'm super excited because in this video, I'm going to show you a secret AI hack and how to make multiple short form videos from one long form video. So I'm going to use the software called Opus Clip. Of course, I'm going to have an affiliate link in the description if you want to try it out. There is a free version available, and that's the one I'm on right now. It will have a watermark on the video and limited features. So you can upgrade here if you want to. But you can check it out for free, doesn't cost a penny, and it's going to save you a lot of time. It just depends if you care about the watermark or not and how much content you want to create. So this cool thing is, it says here you can put in a Rumble link, a Zoom link, let's see what else, a YouTube link. So it has three options of where you can post videos from with a URL. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up here. And I just made this video today on how to create an AI avatar of yourself using HeyGen. So I want to make shorts out of that, and then I can promote it on social. So their algorithm works really well on lots of different things, but this is really amazing. We can get clips in one clip. You can scroll here and you can see different caption presets. So I'm just going to use whatever they have inside of the software for right now. There's a pink one there's a pink and white one with the heart emojis. There's one with green and yellow. You can have it on auto with fill, split, 3, 4 different screenshots. You can upgrade to get more templates. So we have pretty limited templates so far in these caption presets. So you can edit your own templates, and let's see what that looks like. If you want to edit your own, you're going to have to sign up for the paid version. You can do $9.50 for the pro version. You can get 3,600 minutes per year. That's a lot of videos. Let's do like a little bit of math. 3,600 minutes, let's divide that by 10 minutes. That would be 360 videos if you had 10-minute videos. So a lot of people don't create hour-long videos like I do. So you can choose the annual one, or you can choose the starter pack, and you can see what kind of stuff is different than the cheap one and the year version. So it's $114 annually, $9 monthly, and you lose a couple features from the pro year-long version. So I'm going to go ahead and select this $9 one just to see what it's like. So I'm going to get 150. You can actually add more packs maybe later. These are credits and they expire every month. Ooh, that is sneaky. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. Gosh, maybe there's the pro yearly. Let's check that one out. That gets 3,600, and your credits don't expire for 13 months. Let's see the pro monthly. Let's see when credits expire. Upgrading initiates a new plan at full cost. Okay, so they have some pretty stellar marketing in their checkout process, right? Because you get the best when you sign up for the yearly pro. So you know what? I think I'm just going to go ahead and bite the bullet. I'm going to get the pro yearly because I'm going to use this. And it's a little pricey for a lot of people, $113, $14. But I'm going to go for it. Oh, but there is a savings. I got $234 saved instead of paying $350 for the year. So, okay, I'm going to go ahead and subscribe to that. So now I'm going to be a pro. No pressure to sign up for the pro. I love it myself. That's just a choice. I think it's worth it in the end to get all of the features at once. Okay, the pro plan has started. They're valid for 13 months. It's not good for vlogs, gaming videos, or music videos. It's better for video podcast, educational videos, commentary videos, product reviews, motivational speeches. So I'm going to go ahead and drop in my link here from that YouTube clip This is how to get an AI avatar video created with HeyGen. So I want to check out some of these templates here. You can go to my templates. I'm probably not going to have any in there because I haven't created any yet. The green really pops out, but I also kind of want to stay on brand. Let's do the caption presets and check that out. So here's a really bold white one with green letters. Here's one with white, yellow, and green. There's the Mr. Beast with all caps, all white and yellow. Here's a black and white one. There is turquoise. So I really do want to stay on brand, but man, those yellows and greens really pop out too. So that makes it tricky for me. I'm going to go ahead and go with this one right here. I think, well, I want to scroll and see if there are any other pink ones that are readily available. I don't think so. So I'm going to go ahead and pick that pink one because my colors are pink. You can choose only add a caption without clipping. So I think that would make the whole video with captions. But my long form video content, I use Descript, and it has fancy captions that automatically get put into your video. So I like to use Descript for that. So you can choose a processing time frame. You can choose a preferred clip length here. There's 0 to 3. I'm going to say less than 30 seconds. You can add keywords here if you want to filter them out and look for specific topics in your videos. So my credit usage, I'm already spending 30 minutes of credit in this. So I'm going to go ahead, get clips in one click. And I am curious how long it takes. Oh, we can drag and drop here. We have 8 minutes left until this is turned into a bunch of shorts. So these could be for TikTok, for YouTube, for Instagram, any kind of social platform that has videos that are shaped like this, that are shaped like your phone, and it's pretty amazing. You can create one piece of content and create multiple pieces of content. So I'm going to pause while this is loading, and then I'm going to let you know how many clips came out of this video. And I'm pretty excited because I'll be able to just schedule these out and have them go out and promote this long form content so people can learn how to make an AI avatar pretty easily. If you do have the pro version, they support more than the 3 video channels that you can put links in from. They have YouTube, Google Drive, Vimeo, Zoom, Rumble, Twitch, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Dropbox, SteamYard, and more than that. So that is a bonus of signing up for the pro, but you can get it for free. Okay, the videos are clipped into shorter clips, so we're going to check it out. So what you do is click onto the where it says all projects, and it's the little video clip that you just put the URL of in. So we're going to click on that and look how many videos it created. Wow, look at this. One video made all of these videos. That is cool. So I'm actually going to count them. Here it says post your Opus Clip shorts to social media to gain views like other Opus Clip users. And this is another thing. It grades your YouTube script with numbers here. Here we go. It says create engaging presentation slides with PowerPoint or PDF, AI generated scripts. 99 out of 100. It gives it an A-, A for flow, A for engagement, and A for trend. I am a copywriter by nature, writing direct response sales copy, so I definitely have an unfair advantage when it comes to just the way I speak, because this kind of language is ingrained into my brain from my trainings in the past 10 years. Okay, here's one. I got a 97 out of 100. It talks about translating AI videos into different languages. This one has a 96 virability score. These are pretty good scores in my opinion. 89, 87. So your YouTube script matters in how it's going to do. Oh, here we have, it has trends, engagement. Right here it says this video part doesn't align with trending topics. So we could talk about public interest, topics related to AI, social media analytics, or online marketing strategies. And I do like this. Here's hooks. It tells you how good your hook is, the flow of the video, and engagement, how people are going to be engaged with your videos. So this is pretty awesome. And it spells HeyGen wrong here, so we'll have to do some changes to that. As it goes down, we're going from A to B to C. I'm getting worse and worse grades as we scroll down this. So this talks about, the beginning of this video talks about a benefit, which is time saving, and talks about using a teleprompter. So this is really cool. Okay, I didn't count the videos yet. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 videos in 8 minutes of doing nothing except putting in a YouTube link. So I hope that you understand the power of Opus Clip in creating short form videos from long form videos. I hope this helps. There is a link in the description below. Click it, get the free trial, buy it, do whatever you want. Don't use it. Don't have short videos. That's your choice. And I'll see you in the next video.